Hi, my name is John Mangan. I'm president of a company named Virtualbuild, where we're called building information modelers or implementers of BIM, building information modeling, and we're located just outside Washington, D.C. We're going to do a series of short videos that explain what BIM is and how it'll be beneficial to the construction and real estate industries in the 21st century. BIM is essentially a risk management tool. It allows one to use simulation to predict problems in the traditional construction process, for making computer models of buildings and running an increasing number of diagnostics to both improve efficiency and avoid ambiguity. Many have seen this graph from the U.S. Department of Commerce showing construction and non-farm labor productivity from 1964 to 2003. Non-farm productivity increased approximately 230% over that time period, while construction productivity actually decreased to approximately 85% of its 1964 level. I'm not the only person who would claim this disparity is due in part to how non-farm productivity has embraced constant improvement in the manufacturing process. Kiernan and Timberlake, in their book Refabricating Architecture, do a wonderful job of explaining reduction theory, as you can see in the diagram. The relationship to the number of parts of a product is exponential. 2 parts have 1 interface, 4 parts, 4 interfaces, 16 parts, 24 interfaces, and so on. If you have a problem in construction, it takes place at a joint, where 2 non-congruous materials come together, where 2 pieces don't physically fit, or where maybe poor flashing would allow water to penetrate a roof system. Both construction and performance suffer as a result of poor or vaguely understood joints. In a car, these joints can be evaluated through prototype manufacturing, but the basic problems are quite the same in construction. What BIM tries to do is use simulation to identify these problems at joints in a computer model, thus allowing BIM to create the efficiency gains that have been realized in manufacturing since 1964. According to Barry LePagner, in his book Broken Buildings, Busted Budgets, the U.S. construction industry consumes $1.23 trillion and wastes $120 billion each year. He points out that if the United States spends the anticipated $25 trillion on construction by 2030, that according to those processes, $3 trillion will be wasted in that time frame. We would propose that BIM will be the tool that will save the construction industry from itself. By using BIM and attacking construction projects in a fully collaborative manner, we believe construction will begin to track manufacturing and efficiency, and we will create better buildings more efficiently, and then better observe the performance of those buildings through their life cycle. We will take the building industry related topics such as architectural errors and omissions, estimating, daylighting, and cost segregation, to name a few, and explain how BIM can be used to help solve problems in those areas. I look forward to the series of topics and welcome any feedback or comments to jmangan@virtualbuild.com. Thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing you in the future.